Hello and welcome to KahindoTech. In this video, I'll show you how to add a caption on existing post on Instagram. Let's begin by opening up your Instagram app. Once you have it open, go to your profile. So if you see in the bottom row, currently on the very bottom, there's like the home. To the very right of that, the very last icon is a little person. Go ahead and tap that. That will take you to your profile. Okay, once you're here, you can view all the posts that you have made. All right, and they just go in order. So say if I want to add a caption to this first photo, like a post that I made, I'll just tap on it. Okay, once you tap on it, look on the upper right corner. Do you see those three little dots? Go ahead and tap on that. Okay, once you're here, tap on where it says edit. And then from here, you can add a caption. Dr. Evil. And then once you have added your caption, look on the upper right. Actually, so you can add a caption and then also add location if you want to. But so look on the upper right corner. Do you see where it says done? Go ahead and tap that. And if you can scroll, you see that I've added the caption. That's how you add captions to existing photos. If you have any other questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and definitely subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.